Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
Alright, so here we are. The JB Weld part has set up and that hole is plugged. I am going to sand this down to make it smooth with the rest of this and clean up where the old gasket used to be really quick. Really good and smooth. So we got the bolt in now that is going to hold down the clutch engagement mechanism. We're going to actually slide the motor over out the way because we're going to put the 2013 gear reduction gears in it. Gear 1, 2, and 3. Or so here's the clutch gear, the large one that goes, the starter gear that goes on. It's supposed to have different amount of teeth, and by just holding them together you can see the difference in size. This one's a little bit larger. 2008 gonna go here, and 2013 is gonna be there. We're also gonna go ahead and replace out the one-way bearing. I don't have a reason to think my other one is bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it since I have it all open. Put a couple drops of the blue thread locker on there. Keys in there. This nut gets tightened down to 44 foot-pounds per the manual. So this is the old gear that we're going to replace. The new one is a 15-15. I believe this one is a 14-16. But we're going to put it in right here just so we can kind of bind up this. That way we can bind this up. I have an aluminum nail that I'm going to use so it won't cause any damage to my parts. And we're just going to do 44. Here we go. Nail took any damage, gears did not. So yeah, I think that turned out really nice. It's going to work well for what I needed to do and keep the wires up out of the way. Going to have a nice waterproof sealed connection in there. These two areas that JB Weld here and there are going to go up against each other. And when the gasket cover is on, I mean, this is going to fit great, I think. But as always, this is a budget project, and we're going to figure out how it goes.
This is the end.